Hello everyone. Today we will walk through how to fix Frameo digital frame not working. If your Frameo frame is frozen or showing a black screen, the first thing to try is a simple power reset. Unplug the power cable from the frame and from the wall. If the problem continues, look for the small reset hole on the back of the frame. Take a paper clip or a thin pin and gently press the button inside the hole. Hold it down for 5 to 10 seconds, then release. The frame should restart. Keep in mind this may reset some settings. You can also reset the Wi-Fi settings on the frame itself. Open Settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap the three dots in the corner, and choose Reset Wi-Fi. Another option is to forget the current network. In Wi-Fi settings, select your connected network, tap Forget, then reconnect by entering the password again. If you are having issues with the Frameo app or photos not loading, check for software updates. On the frame, go to Settings, then About, and select Check for Update. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. If none of these steps work, you can perform a factory reset as a last resort. Go to Settings, then Backup and Restore, and choose Reset Frame. This will erase all photos, settings, and friends. Thanks for watching.